Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can use CapCut templates on TikTok easily. So here I have already opened the TikTok apps, and to be able to search for the CapCut templates, you just need to click on the search icon first. Click on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner, this one, and then just type in for CapCut templates. Okay, and here you'll see a bunch of templates that you can use freely. Just click on one of the templates that you want to use, for example this one, and then here you'll see the button to try this template on CapCut. So just click on this button, and then here click on the use template in CapCut button, the red one here. Okay, after you click that, you'll be directed to the CapCut apps, and in here this is the template, and you can just click on the use template, then fill in the template with your own photos or video. Then after that you can just export it as your own video. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.